I'm trying to get him to take a selfie with me and it's like, not working. Okay, that was disgusting. All right, we're going inside. We're going inside. We're going inside. The top of my car. All right, well, okay. I'm rushing home. Little Zordy Nordical Noodle baby boy is getting his manhood taken away tomorrow, and it is 6:27 and his cutoff for food is 7 o'clock. Gave him dinner, but I'm just being like a total overprotective individual right now, and I feel like he just didn't eat enough, so I'm gonna go pick him up a burger. I secured the goods. He'll have, you know, 20 minutes to eat it, and it'll take him about 14 seconds. So we're all set. Who says that? Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi, Kiki. Hi. You guys want some burgers? Oh, great. Everybody sit. 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 Sissy, you eat too slow. Having dogs is so fun. What are you eating? A leaf. Zorba. He's just eating spare dirt. I tried to feed him dinner, I hand fed him, I gave him the burgers, blah, 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 blah. Now he's eating dirt and he makes me just feel like a really bad sister, whatever.
The next day.
I have a, I picked up my little cone head. Oh, he's so loopy. Oh, baby. Okay, he's mad at me. I'm just getting him. Zorba. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Where are you going? Okay, well, I need to help. He literally will not look at me. So we're gonna go on a ride, go get some coffee, and hopefully he'll turn around and look at me sometime today. Hey there. Feeling a little bit better? Going to go drop Kiki off to get groomed. Zorba is not allowed to because he just got fixed, so he's escaping this one. Kiki does not know that we're going there, or else she would not be so happy, and Zorba is pissed because he is in the car. I am literally so dramatic. I dropped off Kiki. The girl's like, looking at me, and I'm like, bah, Kiki. Meanwhile, he tried to eat a dog while we were in there again. So it's fun.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you?
Can I get a venti passion tango in a Trenta cup? Could I get the strawberry infusion? The sugar-free vanilla in it?
Sure, how many pumps?
Oh, actually, no, I lied to you. I'm just gonna get stevia, but can I get it on the side? Mm-hmm. Do you guys do puppuccinos? Okay, thank you, that's it. Snoop. Sit. Thank you. And I've been working on music stuff. Hurt my voice because I'm not taking care of it. I'm gonna get back to this tomorrow, but I like quite literally cannot sing any longer because it's too loud. Dogs are gonna freak out. So part 642, my life is run by my dogs, but I get so frustrated with, oh my god, this is too close. I get so frustrated with nights like these because I don't walk out with a finished product, but I just gotta accept it sometimes. Oh my god, it's taking literally everything out of me to not delete everything I just did. Just plug my work laptop in, but it's midnight, so I'm not touching it, but...
3 days later.
Today is Greek Easter. We celebrate Easter on Orthodox Easter, which sometimes is different from everybody else's. We're going to go celebrate down on the farm. I'm about to go pick up Katie from the train, and then we are going to head down. I'm literally pulling up as soon as the train got here. Look at her go. I got her. We're at Wendy's. I could see you. Oh, it can. Yeah. Great. I like set it up so it's like, yeah. Well, there's no shot. They're all coming out alive. So no. Sunday has just transitioned into Game of Thrones. Sunday of Thrones. Thrones of the Day. Whatever. A barbecue cheeseburger? No, I'm getting that. Should I get a 4 for $4? Am I that hungry? Or do I just want like I want nuggets, but nugget. I want like 6 of them. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Wait, what? I want a 10. I want number 10. A 10? Yeah. You will. Okay. Hi, can I get a number 10?
Small, medium, or large?
A medium.
A medium, please.
What would you like to drink?
I just want a 6-piece nugget, but I was wondering if you had like a meal thing of it.
We only have 4-piece chicken nuggets. I love Wendy's.
I can't wait for everybody to die. But you know, Wendy's will still be there.
I don't really know how to work this. I'm gonna do this here.
Why'd you get a Miller water?
Because I need to hydrate. Yours? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love nuggets. Well, no, those are sauces.
There's no sign for this though. How are you supposed to? I mean, I live here, sure, but.
Later.
We're walking out to go find some sort of buggy.
The crab pizza is the pizza absolutely. Pizza, pizza.
She's too scared to go over the hills. I'm too scared to go over that thing. I love your G-Wagon.
Oh, thanks. Come on, let's...
We're back home after a long day. We're gonna go on a nice walk and then I'm gonna get my heart ripped out by Game of Thrones episode. Hopefully tire him out so I can sit and watch Game of Thrones and cry in peace, and that's about it.
The next day.
Hello, hello. Greekster is over. Back to normal working days and stuff. I am heading to Hoboken to go to the studio with Owen. I hate bringing a ton of stuff in the car and it just turned into a friggin' mess. Holy crap. Hold on. Okay, we finished all of the writing, so we just have to track everything today, which I'm making seem a lot easier than it probably will be. Hopefully not catch too much traffic, and I'll see you there. We made it. We just cannot find the microphone that we've been using. So Owen is on the hunt for it. And I'm standing here talking to myself because that's what I do best. Just stand and do nothing. Hopefully we can find it. I think somebody might have checked it out or is using it, so we will see. But there's so much room for activities because all of the desks are stacked. And my battery's about to die. I brought it back up. Update. Nope. Nope. Update, we found the microphone, and by we, I mean not me, because I was standing in here talking to myself. But it appeared, so why would I ever look?
I'm on camera now? You put me on camera! Is there cursing on your channel?
We found it.
Don't post it. Yeah, I'll do it.
What?
I'll do it, don't worry about it.
You'll do what?
Walk in circles with your coffee. Hi, I'm Zoe. I drink Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
Oh my god, I almost just swallowed my gum. I'll do it.
Alright. I'll do it.
My camera.
What about it?
Just has like really bad focus issues. Whatever, you was right.
Focus.
We're off to go get some nutritious food.
She means Doritos. What are you doing?
Looking at how ugly my face is.
Are you recording right now and then you just said that on camera?
Yeah.
Alright, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna prop that up and you're gonna help me clean up.
No. There we go. It's 10:41. It could be worse. It could be way worse. Oh yeah. We started getting stuff done pretty fast at the end, but time to go home.